Welcome. Settle in for a moment. Let your body find stillness wherever you are right now. In the next 30 minutes, we're going to do something quietly powerful. We're going to build confidence. Not the loud kind, not the kind that needs an audience, but the kind that's unshakable. The kind that stays steady even when life doesn't. If you've ever felt confident in one moment and completely uncertain the next, if your sense of self seems to rise and fall depending on how the day is going, what someone said, how something turned out, I want you to know that's not a flaw in you. That's what happens when confidence is built on shifting ground instead of solid foundation. Tonight, we lay a different foundation. One that doesn't crumble the moment things get hard. You don't need to force this. You don't need to try to feel different right now. Just relax, listen, and let these next 30 minutes do their quiet work. Let's begin. Most confidence, the kind most people chase, is conditional. It depends on things going well, a good outcome, a compliment, a moment of being seen and approved of. And conditional confidence works for a while, until the outcome doesn't go your way, until the compliment doesn't come, until someone disagrees or criticizes or simply doesn't notice you at all. And then it collapses, because it was never built to withstand anything. It was only ever built for good weather. Unshakable confidence is different. It isn't dependent on the outcome. It's rooted somewhere deeper, in your relationship with yourself, regardless of what's happening around you. This is the difference between I feel good because things are going well, and I feel steady because I trust myself, regardless of how things go. That second kind of confidence is rare, not because it's reserved for special people, but because almost nobody is taught how to build it. We're taught to chase achievement, approval, validation, all things outside of us, all things we can't fully control. And then we wonder why our confidence feels so fragile. Tonight, we build it from the inside instead. Let's understand what actually makes confidence shakeable in the first place. Shakeable confidence is usually built on 3 weak foundations. The first is outcome dependence. Believing your worth and capability are proven only when things go well, which means every failure, every rejection, every misstep becomes a direct threat to your sense of self. The second is external validation, needing others to confirm your value before you can believe it yourself, which means your confidence is constantly at the mercy of other people's moods, opinions, and attention. The third is comparison, measuring your worth against other people's progress, achievements, or appearance, which means your confidence is only ever as strong as your most recent comparison. And there is always someone to compare yourself to. Notice something about all 3. None of them are under your control. Outcomes aren't fully controllable. Other people's opinions aren't controllable. Comparison is endless and arbitrary. If your confidence depends on uncontrollable things, of course it shakes. It was built to. Unshakable confidence requires a completely different foundation, one built entirely on things that are actually yours to control. Your effort, your integrity, your relationship with yourself, your willingness to keep showing up regardless of outcome. That's what we're building tonight. Let's settle even deeper now. Feel your body resting fully, supported by whatever is beneath you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it completely through your mouth. Again, breathe in steadiness. Breathe out the need for things to go a certain way. One more breath. In, groundedness. Out, comparison. Let your shoulders soften. Let your face relax completely. Let your hands rest open, holding nothing. You are safe here. Nothing is required of you except to receive. Let's begin building this new foundation, piece by piece. I release the belief that my worth depends on outcomes I cannot control. My value does not rise and fall with results. I am steady, even when things don't go the way I hoped. I trust myself regardless of how a moment unfolds. I release the need for approval before I believe in myself. My confidence does not require anyone's permission. I am secure in who I am, independent of what others think. I stop measuring my worth against people whose paths are entirely different from mine. My journey is mine. It cannot be compared, only lived. I am building my confidence on something solid, myself. I trust my own effort even when the outcome is uncertain. I show up fully, regardless of whether the result is guaranteed. My integrity is something no outcome can take from me. I am proud of how I show up, not only of what I achieve. I release the fear of failure as a measure of my worth. Failure is information, not identity. I am someone who keeps going, regardless of the result. My consistency is its own kind of confidence. I trust the process even when I cannot yet see the outcome. I am steady because I trust myself, not because everything is easy. I release the need for others to validate my worth before I feel it myself. My confidence comes from within, not from outside approval. I do not need everyone to understand me in order to trust myself. I am secure enough to disagree, to stand apart, to be myself fully. Other people's opinions of me do not define my reality. I release the exhausting habit of performing for approval. I am allowed to be confident even when no one is watching. My self-respect does not depend on anyone else's recognition. I am whole on my own. Connection adds to my life. It doesn't define my worth. I trust myself completely, with or without anyone else's agreement. Let's go a little deeper now. Imagine for a moment a tree. Not a young sapling bending in every breeze, but an old, deeply rooted tree, the kind that has weathered storms, seasons, years of wind and rain. Notice how it doesn't fight the wind. It bends, it sways, but it doesn't fall, because its roots run deep, anchored far below the surface where the storm can't reach. This is what unshakable confidence actually looks like. Not rigid, not unmoving, flexible even, bending with life's pressure without ever losing its grounding. Imagine those same roots growing beneath you now, deep, steady, unaffected by whatever storm might pass through your life. Let these words settle into that depth. I am rooted. Storms may pass through my life, but I remain steady. My confidence bends without breaking. I trust myself in calm moments and in difficult ones, equally. My roots run deep in self-trust, self-respect, self-belief. I do not need perfect conditions to remain grounded. I am steady because my foundation is myself, not my circumstances. Whatever happens around me, I remain connected to who I am. I am unshakable, not because nothing moves me, but because I always return to my center. My confidence is mine. No outcome, no opinion, no comparison can take it. I am rooted, steady, and whole. Today, I trust my own effort, regardless of outcome. Today, I release the need for approval before I believe in myself. Today I stop comparing my path to anyone else's. Today I remain steady, even if something doesn't go as planned. Today my confidence is rooted in who I am, not in what happens. Today I am unshakable. Let's come back gently now. Take a slow breath in and let it go fully. Feel your body here, resting, present. Let your fingers move, your toes. Let your awareness return slowly without rushing at all. If sleep is calling you, let yourself drift there fully. These roots continue growing, even in your rest. If you're staying awake a little longer, take a moment before you move. Notice the steadiness. Notice how quiet your mind feels right now. I want to leave you with this. Unshakable confidence was never about controlling outcomes, earning approval, or winning every comparison. It was always about something much simpler, trusting yourself enough to remain steady no matter what life brings. You don't need every circumstance to be perfect to feel grounded. You only need to keep returning to your own roots, again and again, the way we did tonight. Some days that will feel easy. Other days, it will take real effort. Both are part of the same practice. So when life shifts, and it will, remember the roots we grew tonight. Remember that your worth was never tied to the weather. It was always tied to you. You are soul rewritten. And the confidence you're building tonight isn't going anywhere. Rest well. Come back soon.